Hey guys, this is Hassan from TalentTEK. Previously, I made a couple of APIs videos, but there was like a basic HTML report we were generating. But today I'm going to show you how to generate a new fancy report called Newman Reporter HTML Extra. This is pretty dope. Looks really good. Look at the report. So nice. Has a color in it. You can switch the color to dark and light, as you can see from the video, and then you can see how many test cases failed, how many test cases skipped, the total requested, and also the summary. It's pretty good. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to put this into my YouTube description, so that way like you can go there and install HTML extra through the npm. So to do this, you gotta have a node installed in your machine. You gotta have npm installed in your machine. If you didn't know how to do that, please go ahead and watch the first couple of videos. So I already have the Newman reporter XML reporter HTML extra. In case if you don't have it, you're just going to go to this site, copy this, and then open a terminal and then just fire this command. If you're using Windows, you just open the command from and then fire this command, and it should install the HTML extra for you. Okay. So I already had it. They're just going to rerun it in case if there is an updated version, they will get the latest version automatically. Uh, in your case, it should automatically update as long as you just fire this command. Everything should be automatically done. Sounds good. All right, cool. So once you have this, I'm going to go ahead and clone the project and then spin up my practice API, which is the landlord API. So I'm going to clone this using the SSH and then go open a terminal, cd. This is where I keep all my project. So I'm going to keep it under GitHub, so git clone, and just clone the project. All right, once project is cloned, and then I'm going to switch to the project that I just cloned, which is start with Postman. So cd Postman. I'm here, so I'm going to spin up my practice API, which is the TalentTEK test jar. So I'm going to say Java space hyphen jar and then TalentTEK jar. Once this is spin up, I'm going to have my API ready, up and running. Then I can go ahead and do the test. So I'm locally spinning up my API, and application has been started, as you can see from here. And I think by default they are running it in 8080 port, which should be somewhere here. Since I already ran it a couple of times, I already know by default it's taking 8080 port, which is right here. Ports 8080. So if I go to look at the Swagger file, I can also go ahead and just go to localhost swagger.html. So this is the practice API that I usually teach in the class. So we already automated those flow right here. Like, first step is we're going to create a new landlord. So if I run this, pretty much, it's going to go ahead and create a new landlord, which is kind of like manual process. But since we already have those test cases automated and all the assertion is being done, I'm going to run the whole collections against the local environment and then run it through the command from. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up cd documents, git cd postman. All right, so I'm going to run the test and generate the HTML extra report. Okay. All right, so let's see if I have anything in the README. Not this, sorry. All right, so the first, there is like a couple of instructions that I already had in here. So you can follow the rest, but we are only interested in how to generate the XML HTML extra report. So to do that, we're going to say Newman run, the name of the collections, and then what environment you want to run the test against, and then hyphen R for the reporting. All right, so we're going to follow this in our command form. And as you can see, like, I'm going to delete this. This is like old report, so it's going to generate a brand new report in this directory. All right, cool. So the command is Newman, right? Run, and the name of the collection. So what's the name of the collections? Is called online API. So I'm going to say online API collections, and then hyphen E for environment, and the environment we're going to run is against localhost, which is this, and then hyphen R for the report, and then the command is HTML extra. So HTML extra. All right, so I'm going to fire this command, and as you can see behind the scene, it's running the test, 100% done. I'm going to go ahead and go to the directory. It's created a brand new folder called Newman. Inside the Newman, I'm supposed to have a report. Let me open this report. As you can see, this report has been generated on 29 December at 11:59 EST time, right? So I had like 12 assertion. I ran only one time, and how many test cases failed? 0. Everything was green, passing. And pretty much that's it, if any test cases would have failed, then you could have go here and then see why the test is failing, but seems like everything is passing with no issues. 0 escaped, 0 failed, and looks pretty cool. This report is way better than the previous HTML report. I hope you like this. Thank you.